Back in late November of last year, I made a video about growing lemons here in London, all throughout the year, outdoors, and I'll put a link to that video at the end. I showed the progress of the lemons growing from the flowering stage in May to the emerging fruits and throughout their growth until they reached full size in November. However, they had yet to fully ripen. Fast forward another 16 to 20 weeks and I now have fully ripened lemons. They are a beautiful full yellow colour and the fruits are firm and smooth to the touch. Some of the lemons from this tree have humps in them, which give them character and which is a feature I noticed in the new fruits early on in their growth. 10 of the 11 lemons I have been monitoring have made it to the finish line and are ready for the picking. I'll be using these in my meals, and so this video is about putting my money where my mouth is and using a lemon in my dinner. So it's time to pick a lemon and go for a weigh-in. And as we can see here, this lemon weighed in at 161 grams. I'm pretty pleased with that. Now let's move on to making dinner. I will be cooking salmon, vegetables and rice. I'll also be picking and using some herbs I've grown at home and in the garden. Some olive oil will help the salmon fillet to cook in the oven. And to some rice I've added some salt and then covered with water to twice the depth of the rice. I'm also boiling up some simple frozen vegetables. I've picked a few sprigs of fresh rosemary from the front garden which I'm chopping up finely. And I've also been growing some cilantro for my American viewers, indoors. It hasn't done brilliantly so far, but there's enough for this meal and I can't resist it. Now it's time to plate up. Garnishing the salmon with the rosemary first, followed by the coriander. Now I'm going to squeeze the lemon. Interestingly, cutting through it, I find it is seedless. This glass citrus juicer has been in my family for over 60 years and has always been an essential in the kitchen. Just adding the lemon juice over the top of the salmon and my dinner is ready. And I can report that the lemon, rosemary and coriander all tasted great, with the lemon having just the right amount of zing to complement the salmon. Thanks for watching, see you next time.